Let's make honey tea.
And learn English together. This is a kettle. This is a kettle. I boil water in it. I boil water in it. This is a teapot. This is a teapot. I put a tea bag in it. I put a tea bag in it. I pour hot water into the teapot. I pour hot water into the teapot. This is a cup. This is a cup. I pour the tea into my cup. I pour the tea into my cup. This is a jar of honey. This is a jar of honey. I take honey from it. I take honey from it. I put honey into the cup. I put honey into the cup. This is a lemon. This is a lemon. I squeeze juice from it. I squeeze juice from it. This is a spoon. This is a spoon. I stir my drink with it. I stir my drink with it. This is my honey tea. This is my honey tea. I drink my honey tea. I drink my honey tea. This is a cake. This is a cake. I eat my cake. I eat my cake. I enjoy my break. I enjoy my break.
All sentences are in the free PDF. Download and practice with me in 10 minutes a day.